Hello! In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to self-host n8n using Render. First, create an account on render.com. Click Get Started, enter your email and password, and sign up. After creating your account, you'll land on the Render dashboard. Navigate to Web Services in the sidebar. Click New Web Service, then select Existing Image to deploy an image from a Docker registry. Open a new tab and search for n8n Docker to find the official n8n Docker image. Visit hub.docker.com and search for n8n. On the n8n Docker hub page, scroll to the Quick Start section. Copy the image name, docker.io/n8n/n8n. Return to Render, paste the image name into the image field, and click Connect. Scroll down to select a plan. The starter plan is ideal for small projects or a few clients offering full features. For this demo, I'm using the free plan, but I recommend avoiding it, as it disables key features like persistent storage. Choose the starter plan for production use. Click Deploy to launch the web service. A new tab opens, showing the deployment progress. Wait for the Docker image to spin up until the status is live. Once live, click the provided URL to access your n8n instance in a new tab. Set up your n8n account by entering your email and creating a password. That's it. You've successfully self-hosted n8n on Render. I'll see you in the next tutorial.